Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're going to carry work on our 63. So last week there wasn't a video because we didn't get a new project car come in, and we're not going to reveal what it is just yet. Well, I think once these cars are finished and done, we'll actually reveal what it is. But for now, guys, the focus is the C63. So last week we did spend a lot of time on the bonnet, just doing the filler work. This region just here and that top region just there needs filler work, so these can basically shape it up, get that right. So right now I'm actually working on the Fiesta ST, guys. Once I finish that off, I'll be giving Z a hand in the 63 because we do need to remove this from bumper and actually start prepping that for primer as well.
Yeah, so let's get moving and start getting some filler work on there. We'll clean it all down, prep it all up before we start actually applying any filler. That should only take one skim around here and around this top edge right here. Filler work's all been completed right around here. That's done, bonnet's done. We have found two more dents. So we've got a dent right here. I'm not sure if you'll pick you up on camera.
I can see on camera.
So we've got another one right around here. Ah, there is. Just there. There is.
It's kind of hard to see that one on camera.
Yeah. Then obviously you guys know about this damage right around here. So you got loads of little dents right around here. So all I'll use is a 180, get down to the metal, then I'll pull out the dents with the dent puller, then we should be ready to go. We'll just lineage it all down, level it all up, rather than applying the filler on top of the dents, because I don't really want to do that. So I removed all the dents on that quarter panel. I could have just cleaned it all up and just put some filler on there, but I didn't really want to do that. I wanted to get as much as I can out, then start skimming it with filler. So that way we're going to use less filler and the job will be right. So this is pretty much ready now, it's all leveled up. So skim my filler, should sort that out. We've also done the two dents, one right here, one on the top. So they are pretty much ready to go. I'll remove the bumper, just one bolt holding it up. 8mm, so remove it, slide it back so it's easy for us to actually work on when we're working on the quarter panel, leveling it all down. Also, whilst I was working right here, I could see there's two little dents on the door. Actually didn't see them before, so you can see we'll have to get them sorted as well. Yeah, so what we're going to basically be doing is spraying the full side rather than just painting this side, leaving the door. We're going to do the full side, half the bumper. We've got a few scratches, so just blow the bumper in. Tailgate's going to get painted as well. We've got a few deep scratches, so we'll sort them all out, and the front end as well.
Yeah, so Z, you guys can crack on with that quarter panel right now.
Yeah, once that bumper's off, I'm going to probably just remove all this lacquer around here, clean it all up. You'll be ready to go for some filler. I'm going to skim it all up, just leveling it all down.
Yeah, bang on. Anyways, guys, I'll pretty much finish on the Fiesta now, so I want to be giving my hand on the 63. So while Z's working on that quarter panel, I'm going to start working on this front bumper. So check it out, guys, the filler work has all been ready now, it's all been done,
completed. So we're on the next stage. You start mixing some primer so you can start applying it. But before we actually do that, we'll need to mask it all up so you don't get no overspray on there from the primer. So we are pretty much ready to go. So you also prep the bumper. It's all ready for priming. Now we were planning on doing it in a few different sections, but we thought why not just do the full section of the bumper rather than doing bits of it. That way we won't have any reactions when we're painting.
Yeah, as well as that, guys, we have backed out the Fiesta, so we've got a lot of space to work in. We've also given the workshop a little clean. There's dust pretty much everywhere on the car, on the floor as well, so we give it a nice little clean. So we are ready to actually cover this car up and just start priming.
Yeah guys, I got my cup ready. I'm going to mix some primer, we'll get the sheet on and start applying some primer.
We actually run out of plastic sheet, so right now it's about, I think it's 9 o'clock at the moment, so all the shops are closed, so we can't really get ourselves some more of that plastic sheet. So what we did is we had a lot of this masking paper. We had loads of that lying around, so what we did is we kind of just put together what we could and covered up the car. I mean, the most important thing is the car is covered up and it's ready to go.
I got my paint, my primer mixed in the gun. Let's get ready and start laying it down. The next day guys, the panels are nice and dry, so we can start actually working on them. I've applied a bit of stopper around this area right here. There was a few pinholes. I thought the primer would actually cover, but it didn't. That's all been done now. It's nice and dry, so you can start flattening it down. Before we do any of that, let's start removing the masking.
So we are going to end the video there. Guys, I could carry on recording, but I don't want to show too much footage of us just rubbing down all this primer because it is kind of boring to watch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video there. Hopefully in the next video, this car will be ready for the spray booth and we can get it into the spray booth, get all the pounds sprayed up and start fitting pounds back on the car as well. So that is the plan for the next video. But for this video guys, we are going to end it there. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Performance Rebuilds, and we will see you guys on the next video.